Well, what a beautiful afternoon. Sunshine and showers, and it's May, it's England, and it's woodland. Well, slightly woodland, but it's one of our local places to go if we want to see bluebells, because they're in abundance here. This is Salhouse Broad on the Norfolk Broads, and every year there's a carpet of these beautiful little blue flowers that spring up. There's a lot of kind of areas here, and this is on a hill, so it's a challenging situation to try and not get the sky in, because you can't look up so easily, and there's little pockets of them around and such. But there's this vast area here. I say vast. There's an area here that kind of suffices, and we've got this beautiful trunk coming through here, and it's providing a nice lead through of the image. Because it's spring, we've got lovely new growth, very, very green on the tree ahead of us, and it could be a silver birch. Everything's a silver birch if it looks like the trunk isn't dark brown to me. One day I'll learn. And I've got a portrait shot with this dead trunk creating the lead in. Hope you enjoy it. Haven't moved, just rotated the camera a little bit, changed my focus to this silver birch or whatever it is, and the sun's hitting it nice on the side. What's the time? I don't know what the time is. Look at the watch on. Anyway, it's got to be, what's the time? 20 to 6, there you go, it's 20 to 6. Always useful to have someone with you to know the time. So 20 to 6, and sun's getting lower, so we're getting a bit more colour into it, but it's not burning orange yet by any stretch of the imagination, but it is hitting that tree rather nicely. We're not getting much of the foliage of the tree in. We're still kind of pointing ever so slightly down, catching the trunk. And it's a shame that there's this other tree in the way of it as well. I might try to reposition so we don't get that. It's not as obvious. Kind of zoomed out. In actual fact, zoomed out, it's really not as obvious at all, but I think perhaps I'm going to move to try to get around those leaves that are kind of getting in the way of it. Let's be careful not to put the tripod on these. So now we've got this. Not sure what it is. It's a shrub rather than a tree, I think, there, and then the silver birch behind. Try to keep that sky out of it. Let's go with that. I think that's it for this particular spot at the moment. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And next time we're off out to another set of Bluebell woods where I hopefully get some better shots, because I wasn't terribly pleased with some of these. Anyway, as ever, if you've enjoyed watching this, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and most people watching this probably haven't, so please subscribe. Share the video, interact with me, and yeah, actually there's some more videos coming up on screen for you to watch now as well. And if you want to watch the next Bluebell one, it will be live on Sunday the 20th of June at 9 AM in the morning. And watch out also for a series of Norfolk Broads videos taken to areas that are a little bit more off the beaten track. They're coming soon. Cheers guys, thanks, bye.